Hello and welcome. I've got for you today this Adria. I haven't got this Adria. I've got this Adria Matrix motorhome to show you. This is the Matrix Supreme Mercedes 670 DL. Costs 135,000 euros. So for that, we're going to expect a pretty decent motorhome. Right. So a large lounge here, face-to-face setup, which seems to be very, very popular these days. One thing about this, of course, you can get into the front relatively easily by moving the table over to one side. Of course, the chairs at the front will turn around. Very nice range in the kitchen. 3 burners, sink. This one comes with a Thetford oven as well. I've got storage in the kitchen block, and on the other side we have this Thetford fridge. Over here there is the shower. It's got 2 drainage points, and it's got a bar at the top so you can wash your socks at night and they'll be dry about 3 days later. Here, open this door. Now close on here, and there we have this very elegant toilet, and with this bowl, which I disapprove of, but that's me. It must be popular because everybody seems to want them these days. There's some storage for some stuff you might need in the toilet. There's a roof light up there as well. Now this is the bedroom. It looks a bit of a mess at the moment. People have been leaving stuff in here from the furniture. This is the bedroom, of course. We've got a window at either side and a window in the roof, a nice big window in the roof up there. Down here we will find we've got drawers. There's one, there's another one beneath it, and on the other side we've got like a wardrobe. Here we can make a very large bed using this thing here. That'll fit in there. Ooh. Well, actually you need to have 2 hands more than anything else, but that anyway, that gives you an idea of the size. If I had more time I could do it nicer, but I'm trying to give you a quick overview. Also, if you're really into watching television, you're not going to fit one up there, but you can store things up there, and you could potentially put a television there, maybe, particularly it seems to be already prepared for a television. Nice headboard with the light. You've also got a light switch up there. Could do some electric switches up there for the USBs as well. If anybody from Adria is watching this, probably not. Open this, and there's the view. Note this flat floor all the way back, so you've got a double floor in this vehicle. That will keep it very warm. Technical infrastructures in the double floor, things such as the water tanks and other pieces of technology that reduces the center of gravity, lowers the center of gravity I should say, and therefore that makes the vehicle more stable. Up here you can see you can turn your water on, your electricity, etc. Window over here. The window's mosquito, plus this blackout blind, and there's one on the other side as well. As you come out, we have here a little thing to keep your sandals in, or flip-flops, or whatever it is that you wear, and there's also a little cubby hole under the seat here as well, which we'll have a look at. There you go. I'll keep your shoes in there. Mosquito screen in the door. Door has a nice big window, and it's got a bin as well, so you can keep the dog's lead in the bin. Now, note the way the roof is. It goes up and down like that. That indicates that there's a bed in there, and the bed could easily have been missed. So I'll take you back in and show you where the bed is. And there is a drop-down bed, which is here, but it's easily missable. So that's something I think is really positive, the way it blends in. Mind you, there's even brands such as Korbe in Swedish, and LMC, where you can scarcely tell there's a bed in there at all. Now, how much height does that give? Let's have a quick look and compare it to me. There's me. Look, got all this space above my head. I'm standing under the bed. Now the bed will come down, and I'm not going to drop it down though, because the trade fair is on. I try not to use the electrical apparatus when the trade fair is actually taking place. Did I mention the fridge, or did I show it? Well, somebody might want to see it. It's a Thetford fridge, and that's what it looks like. And good. I think I've told you everything about this. Face to face, what you've got in this situation here, you've got the belted positions there, and under this, if you want to turn the seat around, you have to turn the seat around. You'll note that there's a place down there for your legs. Your legs go down there, and so under this seat there's another seat, and that's pointing in that direction. So when the vehicle's in motion, you're going in the same way as the vehicle is. And place your television if you get one. I haven't got one in mine. There you go, there's a lovely big garage. Take a lot of stuff in there. There's a cubby hole here. You've got a 10 to 12 volt here. You've got your shore power 230, and you also use this via inverter as well, and connect and get 230. Lady's going to talk. I'm going to take you for a walk.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 6 p.m. and the caravan salon is closing for today. We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames et messieurs les visiteurs, et avec cela, le caravan salon va aujourd'hui. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et nous vous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Signore e signori, nessuno di sé e con ciò il caravan salon chiude per oggi. Vi ringraziamo per la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Dames and heren, het is 18 uur en daarmee sluit de caravansalon voor vandaag. Wij danken voor uw bezoek en wensen u bovendien een fijne avond.
Well, I do like to take people for a walk whilst the lady is talking, to give you an idea of some of the other vehicles which you can see. Now, I have filmed every single vehicle from Adria you find on this channel, but maybe not from this year, but you know, from one year to the other they don't change all that much, despite what some people seem to think. Anyway, so this was the star of this show. Thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15 if you're interested in this type of thing. So you might want to subscribe. For the moment, from me in Germany, bye for now.